What? What? What?
Okay, let's go. What up, dawg? What up, G-Unit? G-Unit? You like your new shades, dawg? What up, G? Huh? What up, dawg?
That is funny, man.
Peace out,
dog.
Oh, first up. Wait, lie down. Wait. Wait.
Oh, follow the chicken. It's gonna be the chicken. Chicken. Thanks, Mom.
Is it a video?
Yeah.
So this is probably going to be the last month that she gets to wear them. Unless we can like stretch them out on the sides a little bit. Since they are like a metal, you can't adjust them like that. But this is how big my daughter is. So you can... I wish I'd joined his favorite game.
That is so funny.
Everyone, it's Jessie just chilling out on the seat with her sunglasses on. Okay, bye everyone.
Yee! Nababayad ako sa salming. Yee! Uncle! Uncle! Uy! Say something! Oh! Oh! Uncle! Ooh! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Ah!
Daddy!
Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Ah!
Uncle!
Ooh! Ah!
Uncle!
Ooh! Ah!
Nakuko mo na?
Ooh! Ah!
Here we are driving home. Got the coolest dog ever in the car. Got her goggles on. She's all comfy. Such a good dog. You're a good dog. Yeah. Let's see what happens now. Gonna pull up to the house pretty soon.
Go.